It's a little technique for sorting out and storing parts that are easy to get to, out of the way. Something you want regularly. So normally you want the smaller, medium sizes of these little things. So I've got standard, SAE, and then I got metric. So I've got basically corresponding sizes. So like a 9/16 is a 14 essentially. Not really, but close enough. And then the screws, socket. And then I went from like, if it's got a 1/4 inch drive up there, then 3/8 deep and 1/2 inch, depending on the stuff. And then flapper discs. And I got a little rubber stopper. Right now I have a block of wood in the way. So then, you can't see it in the video, but the little